Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am back with another informative video. So in this video we will discuss the best health insurance for the LLC owners and the freelancers. Deducting health insurance premiums if you are self-employed. So what is in this article summary shows that if you are self-employed, you may be eligible to deduct premiums that you pay for medical, dental, and qualifying long term care insurance coverage for yourself, your spouse, and your dependents. You can't claim the health insurance premium right off for months when either you or your spouse were eligible to participate in an employer subsidized health plan. The health insurance premium deduction can't exceed the earned income you collect from business. If you have a business and you pay health insurance premiums for your employees, these amounts are deductible as employee benefits program expenses. So let's take the overview of the article. Is health insurance tax deductible? The question is that learn how self-employed people can deduct health insurance premiums, including for long-term care, on their tax returns. Get insights on eligibility criteria, deduction limits, and how to claim it even without itemizing. What are the new tax law changes in this case? The one big beautiful bill that passed includes permanently extending tax cuts from the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, including increasing the capital on the amount of state and local or sales tax, and the property tax that you can deduct. Makes cuts to energy credits passed under the Inflation Reduction Act, makes changes to the taxes on the tips and overtime for certain workers. Reforms Medicaid, increases the debt ceiling, and reforms Pell Grants, the student loans, and updates. This article are in process. So the table of content shows that the deducting health premium, insurance premiums, and earned income limitations, and then partners and LLC members. So the key takeaways in this case are: if you are self-employed, you may be eligible to deduct premiums that you pay for medical, dental, and qualifying long-term care insurance coverage for yourself, your spouse, and your dependents. You can't claim health insurance premiums right off for months when either you or your spouse were eligible to participate in an employer subsidized health plan. The health insurance premium deductions can't exceed the earned income you collect from your business. If you have a business or you pay health insurance premiums for your employees, these amounts are deductible as employee benefit program expenses. Deducting health insurance premiums if you are self-employed, you may be eligible to deduct premium that you pay for medical, dental, and qualifying long-term care insurance coverage for yourself, your spouse, and your dependents. This health insurance write-off is entered on Part 2 of Schedule 1 as an adjustment to income and transfer to page 1 or of the form 1040 which means you benefit whether or not you itemize your deductions. Unlike an itemized deductions, the deduction treatment is beneficial because it lowers your adjusted gross income AGI. Having lower adjusted gross income can reduce the odds that you'll be affected by unfavorable phase out rules that can cut back or eliminate various breaks. So, eligibility is determined month by month. You can only claim the health insurance premiums right off for months when neither you nor your spouse were eligible to participate in an employer subsidized health plan. For example, if you were single or ineligible for any employer provided health plans during the last 6 months of the year because you left your job and started your own business, you can claim the deductions for premium you paid for the coverage during the 6 months period. To take the deduction, you will need to complete form 7206 self-employed health insurance deductions. So I would talk about earned income limitations. The deductions cannot exceed the earned income you collect from your business. For example, if you are self-employed and your self-employment activity is a sole proprietorship that generated a tax loss for the year, you are not allowed to claim the deduction because the business didn't generate any positive earned income. So here's the turbo tax tip. If you're self-employed individual filing a schedule C or a schedule F, you can purchase a health insurance policy in either the name of your business or your own name, and qualify for the self-employed insurance deduction. So if we talk about partners and the LLC members, partners and the limited liability corporation members who are treated as partners for tax purposes are considered to be self-employed. So the first point in this case is, if you fit into this category and directly pay your own health insurance premiums, you can claim the page 1 deduction. If the partnership or the LLC pays the premium, special tax reporting rules apply to the partnerships or LLC's return, but you can still claim the deduction for premiums paid for your coverage. Premiums paid to cover your employees. If your business has employees and you pay health insurance premiums for them, these amounts are deducted on your applicable tax form and line for the employee benefit program expenses. For example, if your business is a sole proprietorship, you deduct premium paid to provide health coverage to employees on Schedule C. Limited deductions for long time care insurance premiums. Here's what you can deduct this for long term care insurance premium. So for the age range 40 and younger, 2024 deductions were $470, and for the 2023 deductions were $480. For the age ranging between 41 to 50, the 2024 deduction limit was $880, $880, and for the 2023 deduction limits were $890. For the age ranging between 51 to 60, the 2024 deduction limits were $1,760, and for 2023 were 10 plus 10, $1,790. So for the age ranging between 61 to $70, 70 years, the 2024 deduction range was $4,710, and for the 2023 deduction limit was $4,770. So the for the age over 70 years, the 2024 deductions were $5,880, and for 2023 deductions were $5,960. So what's the, if we talk about the bottom line, if you qualify the deductions for the self-employment health insurance premium, it is a valuable tax break. With the rising cost of health insurance, a tax deduction can help you pay at least a portion of your premium cost, and you will pay and that will help you keep you healthy and happy in 2024 and beyond. Let a local expert matched to your unique situation get your paid taxes done 100% right with TurboTax Live full service Your expert will uncover industry specific deductions for more tax breaks and file your taxes for you. So that was all about the topic. Hope this topic will be very helpful for you. So do like and subscribe my channel for more helpful videos.